come nobody is telling you that you cannot make wealth or build wealth by saving money in the bank? Are you among the people that the categories of people that wants to start investing, but you don't know how to go about it? Or are you among the categories of people that fear is holding back? The fear of losing the money is holding back. Or are you just hearing about investment for the first time? I want you to draw closer with your pen and your paper. I've got you covered in this video. I've come to share with you some low risk investments that you can explore. I say low risk investments. I will tell you the reason they are low risk investments. You can explore this investment. And in this video, watch to the end. I am going to hold your hand, show you the step-by-step approach on how to go about it, or how to get started. They are low risk. And it's something that when you do, you can at least have peace of mind. Video. Because by the end of this video, you will be able to make an informed financial decision. As you are watching, type the one that you want to invest on in the comment section. I will help you if you need assistance. But these things are things that you can do on your own. Channel. My name is Juliet, and what I do in this channel, this is FinSpoke channel. We speak out. What we do here is to bring financial literacy to the grassroots through goal setting, savings, budget and investment, personal finance, startup business ideas, coaching, and entrepreneurship at large. Now, if this is the kind of vibes that you like, please subscribe to this channel. Stay with us. You will learn what will help you turn your financial life around 360 degrees within the shortest period of time. Share this video as well so that a lot of people can see it. And please give this video a thumbs up. All right, let's dive into the business of the day. The number one on my list is real estate and the land banking. Real estate and land banking. Hold on, hold on. Before you say, I don't have money to go, real estate is capital intensive. No. Real estate, that is why I said real estate and the land banking. Now, it has a very low risk. It's a low risk investment. Real land and anything under the land is a good business. Now, investing in land is something that appreciates in value, whether there is inflation or there is no inflation. The land keep appreciating in value. If you are not buoyant enough to go into pure real estate, you can use that one that you have and buy land, keep it. You can buy commercial buildings. In fact, you can buy properties and keep. When the price appreciates, you sell. This is something that when you put your money, you are rest assured. With a good research, engaging property lawyers that knows what they are doing, you can get a land in a very good place. I don't mean I'm a realtor. I'm a realtor. So in fact, I tell people that I sell peace of mind. And by the grace of God, I've never had any issues with the properties that we've sold. How do we do this? We have property lawyers that goes in search. They search deep because I am here. I am the type that wants to get it right so that people will not fall victims again. So if it's not right, I don't want to be part of it. A lot of people lost their properties because of ignorance. When you see the government or you hear that a place was demolished, check very well. That place has always been in the government map as a government reserved area where they want to use and do one thing or the other. But greed is one of the reasons why people are falling victims. Because the earliest people or the original owners of those places We are duly compensated when those places were mapped out, when the state was created. I'm making reference to Nigerians. So land is a low risk investment, but we got to be careful. That's why I brought this little story. Are you still with me? Still with me? Drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know that you are understanding what I'm saying. The next one on the list is high interest rate savings account. Now, this is different from your normal savings account, the normal savings account that you have in the bank. This one, I know the people that run this high interest savings account much are the fintechs, the fintech industry, like Piggyvest, Afrivest, Optimus, a lot of them out there. They run this high interest rate savings account. Some commercial banks now have it, but I think their interest rate is not as high as that of the fintech industry. So instead of leaving your money in the bank, in the commercial bank, or in your normal savings account, and that money will just be incurring unnecessary charges like SMS charge, maintenance card charge, and all that. Pull out this money, open up an investment savings, high interest investment savings account with any of these fintech industry. Then save your money there. I think some of them has their interest rate is as high as 20%, some 18%, some I think between 15 and 17%. But at least you are certain that at the end of the day, your money is there and it is actually accruing a reasonable interest. Have I spoken your mind now? Let your money work for you. Let me give you a little hack that will help you. If you intend to travel out and you want to be using, you want to use this fintech for savings because of this high interest savings account, make sure that your commercial bank, you are still running one or two transactions in it. This is it. Why I said this to you is this: if you want to travel out, what they will require is your commercial bank statement of account, not that of the fintech. So that you don't say, Madam, say push your money to fintech. And because of that, they denied me visa. I hope you catch the joke now. The next one is treasury bill. Now, this is a short-term security that the government issue. It is short-term because it's less than 1 year. It can be 3 months, it can be 6 months. I think it can be up to 9 months. So these are short-term securities that the government issued at a discount. What people are saying or what you are seeing as interest on this is a discount because it is issued on a discounted rate. That is why in this treasury bill, you can invest on treasury bill today and get your interest that same day because it's a discounted treasury bill, as in the amount is being discounted. So what I normally tell people or what I do is if I want to invest on this, I don't take my interest immediately. I like upfront. I invest and also reinvest the interest accrued. I hope this is clear. So this treasury bill is a low risk investment. Any investment that has to do with the government, be it bonds, commercial papers, treasury bills, they are low risk investment. If what's come to us, government will use your money run now. So they are low risk in nature. So if you are thinking of starting up an investment, start from these ones I'm mentioning. Remember that investment is not a get rich quick business. Treasury bill is open from Monday to Friday on daily basis, so long as the market is open. Treasury bill is open. And the minimum amount, if you want to invest on treasury bill, is 100,000 naira. That's the minimum amount, 100,000 naira. You can invest on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, unlike some other government securities that is once in a month and something like that. The next one is FGN savings bond. That's federal government of Nigeria. That's what the N means, savings bond. Now, this is a plan that the government set up to encourage you and I to embark on savings. It is open every first week of the month. First week of the month, that's when it opens from Monday to Friday, and it's once in a month. It's a plan or a scheme that the government set up that they are using to encourage individuals to invest and save money. This one now is a long-term investment because the investment is for a period or a duration of 2 years and the 3 years. It's left for you to choose either you want to embark on the one of 2 years or on the one of 3 years. And the minimum startup capital for this one or startup investment capital for this one is 5,000 naira. 5,000 naira in Nigeria. Now, the interest rate on this is paid four times a year, I think. 4 times a year, that's every 3 months. The interest accrued, they will divide the interest into four and pay you the interest every quarter. That's at the expiration of each 3 months, you receive interest, and the expiration, you receive interest. Your capital is still with them. You will receive your capital back by the end of the tenure of that investment. Meaning, if you sign up for that of 2 years, by the end of 2 years, you will take your money back. If you sign up for the one of 3 years, by the end of that 3 years, you also take your money back. But what I normally tell my fellow investors is this: compound your interest. What do I mean by compounding the interest? Do not collect the interest. Let the interest reinvest your interest, sort of. Let the interest keep generating. Compounding it means adding the interest up to the capital and it will keep generating higher money instead of taking it that bit by bit. And I hope you do the same. Because if you are taking the interest as it's coming bit by bit, you might not really use it to do something reasonable. Please, if you have not liked this video up to this point, what did I do now? Kindly subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Share it for me. That's the thank you I want from you. Share the video to your friends and your relatives. And also give this video a thumbs up. I just shared the 4 investments with you. Low risk investment. Now, in these 4 low risk investments that I shared with you, you cannot say that you don't have money. At least one of one of it that I mentioned is suya money or shawarma money can get you started on that. I mentioned land. You have nothing to lose on land if you get it right. I mentioned the high interest rate savings account. You can start it up with fintech. I use PiggyVest. I currently started using AfriVest too. You can, okay, the next one I mentioned is a treasury bill. Treasury bill, which is a short-term security that you can purchase within 3 months. You have your money and your capital, your interest and your capital. 6 months, 9 months. This one doesn't last up to 1 year. You can use it to save money that you don't want to use at the same use immediately. And I mentioned, okay, the last one I mentioned, which is the fourth one, is a FBN savings bond, which is a long-term investment because it lasts up to 2 years and the 3 years, depending on the option that you choose. I don't want you to watch this video and sit back. I want you to watch this video. After watching this video, you pick up one of these investments right here and now and start investing. You pick it up and start investing. You want to go into land banking, you can look for registered and good agents. And when they show you, make sure you do your own research. And if you are, you can also reach out to me depending on your location anyway. And you want to do investment, either with any of the fintech or with the government bond, you can download AfriVest or Optimus. That you download AfriVest app or Optimus app. The interface is very friendly, so you can start up with them. You don't need to go and start looking for a broker. The moment you download it, everything will be fixed for you. You start start your investment. Till I come your way next time. Peace.